Hello friends, today I will be discussing question number 26 of GATE Physics 2017. The question is, 3 charges 2 coulomb, minus 1 coulomb, minus 1 coulomb are placed at the vertices of an equilateral triangle of side 1 meter as shown in the figure. The component of the electric dipole moment about the marked origin along the y direction is dash coulomb meters. So this is the given diagram and we have to find out the net dipole moment along this OY. So let us have a look at the solution to this question. Now this is the given figure. So we have 3 charges, 2 coulomb, minus 1 coulomb and minus 1 coulomb, which are at the vertices of this equilateral triangle, and the length of each of the sides is 1 meters of this triangle. Now to solve this, what we can actually do is we can break this 2 coulomb into 2 separate charges of plus 1 coulomb and 1 coulomb. So that would imply that we will have 2 dipoles, one will be P1 and the other one will be P2, and P1 will be along this direction and this P2 will be along this direction, because we know that the direction of a dipole is from minus to plus, therefore P1 is along this direction and P2 is along this direction. So we have simplified, or we have broken down this problem into 2 dipoles, P1 and P2, and we have to find out the resultant of these 2 dipoles, and that will be simply this P. So we have 2 vectors P1 and P2, and we have to actually find out the resultant of those 2 vectors, and that will simply be P. Now to find out this P, we have to find out this P1 and this P2. In order to do that, we have to actually find out the vertices of this triangle. Now to do that, we know that this distance is given as 1.5 and this distance will be 0.5 because this is an equilateral triangle. So this distance is 0.5 and hence this distance will be 1 meters, and therefore this point will be 1, 0. Now for this location, this distance is 1 meter, this is 1 meter, and therefore this will be 2, 0. And for this location, this h we need to find out this y coordinate, and that can be easily found out by using the Pythagoras theorem for this triangle. So doing that, we will get h equals to root over of 1 square minus 0.5 square. So that will give me h equals to root over of 0.75, and the coordinate of this point, the x coordinate, that is 1.5, and therefore this location will be 1.5 comma root over of 0.75. So we have found out the 3 coordinates for this triangle, and therefore we can easily find out this P1 and P2. Now dipole moment, we know that it is equal to this length vector multiplied by the charge, this length vector multiplied by the charge. So P1 will be given as the length vector multiplied by the charge, which is 1 coulomb, and P2 that will be given by the length vector multiplied by the charge, which is again 1 coulomb. Now the length vector can be found out by subtracting the initial point from the final point, this again initial point from this final point. So doing that, we will get P1 equals to 1.5 minus 1 I plus root over of 0.75 minus 0 j into 1 coulomb, and P2 that will be given as 1.5 minus 2 I plus root over of 0.75 minus 0 j into 1 coulomb. So P1 and P2 can be found out from these 2 expressions, and simplifying, we will get P1 equals to 0.5 I plus root over of 0.75 j, and P2 will be minus 0.5 I plus root over of 0.75 j. So we have got P1 and P2, and therefore we can get this P, which is simply P1 plus P2. So adding this P1 and P2, so that will give me P equals to 0.5 I plus root over of 0.75 j plus minus 0.5 I plus root over of 0.75 j, and we can easily see that this 0.5 I and this minus 0.5 I, that they are cancelling, and therefore we are left with p equals to 2 root over of 0.75 j, and this is nothing but the y component, and therefore py is equal to 2 root over of 0.75, and that comes out to be 1.732. And if we look into this figure, then we can easily see that the dipole moment along this OY is nothing but this py, and therefore the dipole moment along this OY, that is py, is 1.732. Hence the correct answer is 1.732. So that's all. Thank you.